Okay, so C, the first thing you have to do is to factor out this 2. You can't leave it in there. Okay. So minus 2 sine of, if you factor out a 2 and multiply to the quarter, we get half exactly. And inside we get pi plus, we got to divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. Okay. So the amplitude is 2, right? It's got a reflection on the x-axis. The period is 4 pi because of the half. Phase shift is minus pi over 12, and vertical shift is positive 1. Okay. Vertical shift is 1. So let's say that's 1. Phase shift is minus pi over 12, so let's say that's minus pi over 12. I gotta do it really small. Why do I have to do really small instead of making it really big?
Because of the period?
Yeah, the period is extremely large. If I made this one big, like this, here's my pi over 12, then the graph will like go over bounds, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want to make it really small. Right? Like really small like that. So that's pi over 12. And we can just sort of guess if we require 12 of these to get single pi, right? We need 48 of those to get 4 pi. Right? So it's actually even that might be a bit too big, right? So make it really like noticeably small, and let's just approximate that as 4 pi. We don't need to count it. We can just, as long as it's proportionally kind of correct, as long as we do the proper label. So for the 5 points, it's good. So 4 pi plus pi over 12, what is that? 48, 49. Yeah, that's 49 pi over 12. Oh no, you gotta subtract 1, sorry. So it's 47. This is minus pi over 12. Okay, and then, so since we label this one to be 1, the amplitude is 2, so we gotta go up to 2, 3, about here. 1 and negative 1 here. Okay, so there's our box. Okay, so what's the midpoint then? Can you guys tell me what that is? It's going to be 2 pi plus or subtract by pi over 12, right?
Yeah.
So that's what?
23 over 12.
23 pi over 12. What about the quarter point then?
Pi minus pi over 12.
Yes. So it's 11 pi over 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then this one's going to be what?
3 pi minus pi over 12.
Yeah, so 3 pi minus pi over 12 is?
35 pi over 12.
35 pi over 12. Excellent. Okay, let's label out 5 points. Starting point, because of the negative, it has to go down first.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Middle, top, end. You're ready to draw it now. I missed it a little bit there, but you get the idea. Okay.
Is that